if you're just like me, you love matcha tea. And this is delicious. It's a very, very good one. Don't make it like I made it. I'm going to tell you how to make it a lot easier and a lot smoother. But, I love the foamy. Tastes so good. So I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it because this is a really fantastic one. Now, what it recommends is for half a teaspoon, but I like mine a little weaker and my cup is a little smaller. So I'm doing a quarter of a teaspoon, and then put the milk in and do a heated milk, but only put in like that much, and then foam it up really well, because when you do that, it like comes out over the cup. So, because it's going to grow, it's going to expand. But I like to use about that much milk and about that much water. So I did top it off with a little water on the top, but oh my gosh. It's delicious. And if you haven't tried the lavender cold foam yet, oh my gosh, if you can get a hold of that on top of that matcha, oh, it is the bomb. But this one has a really rich flavor. It's organic, and it doesn't give me the jitters when I drink it, which I really like because I can't drink a lot of stuff with heavy caffeine. But it tastes amazing, and then it also feels like it feels healthy. It feels like it's fresh and green and yummy, right? So it just feels like it's healthy. It's very good. It's insulated, and it is fantastic. This one bag is going to go a really long way with only using a quarter of a teaspoon, but even a half teaspoon. You've got a lot of servings in this bag, a ton of servings. So this is going to last a long time, and again, it keeps it fresh. It's got a really nice seal on it, so the powder inside is staying fresh, and it is delicious. Now you can do it with just water too, but I like mine with some cold foam cream or cream. So, and I like the foamy cream with the matcha. I don't know. Just makes it feel fancier and taste delicious. So once again, thank you so much. I love it.